Welcome to the world of herbal medicine. Today, I'm diving into the power-packed herb known as mullein. Used for centuries, mullein is a natural remedy for respiratory issues like coughs and congestion. Let's dive into how to prepare various herbal recipes using this versatile plant. First up, infusions. Take a handful of dried mullein leaves and flowers, add them to a teapot with boiling water, let it steep for 10–15 minutes. Strain it using a fine mesh or cheesecloth to remove the tiny hairs. Sip on this soothing tea to ease your respiratory troubles. Next, decoctions. This method is great for extracting the tougher compounds. Combine mullein roots with water in a pot. Bring to a boil, then simmer for about 30 minutes. Strain and drink. Decoctions are perfect for chronic coughs and bronchitis. Now, tinctures. Fill a jar halfway with dried mullein leaves and flowers. Pour in high-proof alcohol like vodka until the jar is full. Seal it tight and store in a dark, cool place for 4–6 weeks. Shake it occasionally. After straining, use a dropper to take 20–30 drops a day. Tinctures are strong and last long. For capsules and powders, dry mullein completely and grind it into a fine powder. Fill empty capsules with this powder using a capsule machine. Capsules are convenient for on-the-go relief. Tonic wines. Soak mullein leaves and flowers in red wine for 2 weeks. Strain and drink in moderation. This tonic is excellent for respiratory health and adds a medicinal twist to your wine. Syrups. Boil mullein leaves and flowers with water and honey until thick. Strain and store in a glass bottle. A spoonful of this syrup can soothe a sore throat. Infused oils. Fill a jar with mullein flowers and cover with olive oil. Let it sit in a sunny spot for 2–3 weeks. Strain and use for earaches or skin inflammations. Ointments and creams. Melt beeswax and mix with mullein-infused oil. Pour into containers and let it solidify. Apply to wounds or burns for a healing touch. Poultices. Crush fresh mullein leaves and apply directly to the skin. Cover with a cloth. Poultices are great for bruises and joint pain. Compresses and lotions. Soak a cloth in mullein infusion and apply to the affected area. Use mullein-infused lotion for daily skin care. Remember, always consult a healthcare professional before using any herbal remedies. Mullein is a powerhouse herb, but safety comes first. Thanks for tuning in. Unlock the power of mullein and breathe easy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more herbal wisdom. Until next time, stay healthful and stay inspired.